Calculating mean, by using step deviation method. To calculate mean, by using step deviation method, we need to know the assumed mean A, and the deviation. The given observations are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. The center value from the above given observations is 50. Therefore A equals 50. Let us consider the class intervals. Percentage of female teachers are 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. Here, each class interval difference is 10, that is, size of the class, or class size H equals 10. Now, we calculate UI value using the following formula for each xi. UI equals xi minus A by H. And then, calculate the product of fi and UI for all class intervals. Consider the class interval 15 to 25, where xi equals 20. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 20 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to minus 30 by 10. This is equal to minus 3. Now, FIUI equals 6 into minus 3, since FI equals 6. This is equal to minus 18. Consider the class interval 25 to 35, where xi equals 30. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 30 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to minus 20 by 10. This is equal to minus 2. Now, FIUI equals 11 into minus 2, since FI equals 11. This is equal to minus 22. Consider the class interval 35 to 45, where xi equals 40. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 40 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to minus 10 by 10. This is equal to minus 1. Now FIUI equals 7 into minus 1, since FI equals 7. This is equal to minus 7. Consider the class interval 45 to 55, where xi equals 50. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 50 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 0 by 10. This is equal to 0. Now, FIUI equals 4 into 0, since FI equals 4. This is equal to 0. Consider the class interval 55 to 65, where xi equals 60. Then UI equals xi minus 50 is divided by 10. This is equal to 60 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 10 by 10. This is equal to 1. Now, FIUI equals 4 into 1, since FI equals 4. This is equal to 4. Consider the class interval 65 to 75, where xi equals 70. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 70 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 20 by 10. This is equal to 2. Now, FIUI equals 2 into 2, since FI equals 2. This is equal to 4. Consider the class interval 75 to 85, where xi equals 80. Then UI equals xi minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 80 minus 50 by 10. This is equal to 30 by 10. This is equal to 3. Now FIUI equals 1 into 3, since FI equals 4. This is equal to 3. After calculating UI and the product of FI and UI, it is tabulated as follows. Let sigma find sigma FI and sigma FI xi. Sigma FI is the sum of all the frequencies, that is, sigma FI equals 6 plus 11 plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to 35. Sigma FIUI is the sum of the values of product of FI and UI, that is, sigma FIUI equals minus 18 plus minus 22 plus minus 7, plus 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. This is equal to minus 47 plus 11. This is equal to minus 36. Using the step deviation method, the mean is calculated as x bar equals a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Substituting sigma fi ui equals minus 36, sigma fi equals 35, h equals 10, and a equals 50, we have x bar equals 50 plus minus 36 by 35 into 10. Taking 35 as LCM, we have x bar equals 1750 minus 36 by 35 into 10. This is equal to 1390 by 35. This is equal to 39.71. Therefore, the mean percentage of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas is 39.71. Note that the mean values obtained using the three methods is same. Let us see another example. The distribution below shows the number of wickets taken by bowlers in one-day cricket matches. Find the mean number of wickets by choosing a suitable method. What does the mean signify? Please note that the given example, class interval sizes are unequal, then we consider step deviation method. Let us see the solution. Let us consider the interval 20 to 60. Here, upper class limit is 60, and lower class limit is 20. As we know that, class mark equals upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. This is equal to 60 plus 20 by 2. This is equal to 80 by 2. This is equal to 40. Therefore, the class mark is 40. Similarly, we can find the class marks for remaining class intervals.